Hi guys, thanks for stopping by my channel today. I hope you're having a great day. I'm back today to share a cute little project that I created to gift some See's lollipops to some coworkers and put in Happy Mail, and I just thought they turned out super cute. So I wanted to share, and I thought I would do a quick little tutorial. They're really quick, really easy to create, and I thought they just turned out so cute. So these are two that I've created, and I'll go ahead and share what I used. And I am trying out a new lighting system, so hopefully there's not too many shadows, so hopefully I can, get a few more videos out and not rely on natural lighting so much like I do. So I use these cute little pom-poms that have these metallic threads in them, and I think I picked these up at Dollar Tree. And I also use these cute little embellishments from Michaels, these little holly leaves, super cute. And I'm running low on those. I don't know if I have any more. So this Cottage Cuts die with the Santa hat. Love this die, super cute. And then I use this one as well from Cottage Cuts. I cut out the little boot. So that, this tag topper punch from Hobby Lobby, some red and white twine from Target, some glue dots, and this little mini scoreboard that I picked up at Tuesday Morning recently, and then just some lollipops from See's, which are really yummy. Love those. So what you will need is some pattern paper, and I just cut strips of these pattern paper. It's a great project to use up some of your scraps, and these measure 2 inches by 6 1/4. So again, 2 inches by 6 1/4 for the pattern paper strips. And then I basically just take one of the strips of paper, and I use this tag topper punch, and it has an area for 1 1/2 width and 2 inches and 2 1/2. So it fits right into the 2-inch area. And then you just slide it in and punch it. So you've got the tag topper there, and you flip it and you do the same thing on the other end. Just slide it in and punch it. So now you've got a strip of paper that looks like this with the tag top or punch out on both ends. So that's it for that. And then I take my scoreboard and just line it up edge to this edge here, and then you're going to score at the 2 1/2 mark, and then you're going to take your paper and flip it and score again at the 2 1/2 mark again. So that's going to give you 3 sections on your little strip here. So there's that one. This one's already been done, and I'll do one more. So again, the strip that has been punched on both ends, and just line it up to this edge over here and score at 2 1/2. Flip it over and score at 2 1/2 again, just like that. And we're done with our scoreboard for now. So then we're just going to take the strip and just fold along the score lines that we just made. And that's pretty much it. You've got your little base for the lollipop holder done. So I've got this one here and this one here. So there's that. And here is one of the Santa hats that I created with the Cottage Cuts dies. And here is the cute little Santa boot. I just added a little foam candy cane sticker there, and I guess this was supposed to be black, but I cut it out in brown, which looks okay. I'm still going to use it. So there's this one, and let me go ahead and use the hat, I think, for this one here. So I've already put a little foam dot on there, and then I just adhere it down kind of at an angle like that. And then I'm going to take one of these little stickers, really cute. I love the glitter ones, so pretty. And then just add it as a little accent to the Santa hat. And then we're going to take our lollipop, and I like to add a glue dot to the bottom of it just so that it stays in place and doesn't move around. And then we're going to center it in this middle area here and just press it down so that it sticks. And there's that. And then I take some of this red and white twine, and I like to tie the end up because it unravels so easily. So I just usually tie a little knot, and I just eyeball it like the length that I think I need to tie a bow, which is about like that much. And then I just feed it through this hole here, through the back as well, and then I just pull it up and tie the other end, the little knot. And then I just kind of try to make it even and knot it like this. And for me, it's always a little bit easier if I turn my project kind of facing away from me upside down when I do my bows. I don't know why, but it's a little bit easier. And I still have to fuss with them sometimes and tie it a couple times, but that's usually how I do it. And then there's the little bow. So I will try not to fuss with it too much on camera. So there's this, just like that. And then I just take a pom-pom, one of these little shiny pom-poms. Sorry for the crinkling. And I just add some glue. This is just the glue that I have handy. And I like hot glue better. It just sets up really quick. So that's what I used. Just a little dab on the top. But if you have your hot glue, it's a lot quicker and I like it a lot better. And then just add your little pom-pom to the top there. So that's it. Cute little way to gift a lollipop and dress it up for the holidays. And that's it, guys. I hope I explained it all okay and that you enjoyed this little tutorial. Let me know if you give it a try. I love to read your comments, or you can also tag me or leave me a comment on Instagram. It is papersweet09. So there you go. Have fun, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.